Gimbal practice. Let's see what happens. Brian's playing in a campfire. It's a beautiful day. Chilly. This is a bear-proof trash can. You have to push the button up and in. We're at Dickey Lake Campground in northwest Montana. Looking at Dickey Lake. That's the Dave's area. Isn't it beautiful? Kind of steep. That water is so turquoise whenever the sun hits it. There's a highway right there. That'd be Highway 93. We're not far from the Canadian border. Clouds look cool. Alright, let's go see what else I can get into if I can get back up this hill. good way to do gimbal practice. I figured out how to go horizontal. Okay. I gotta go back up. Nice. Let's try this way. Beautiful. Yeah, I think this is the way I went this morning. Isn't that amazing? Dickey Lake in northwest Montana. Today's beach boat launch. Look at all the rocks. There's so many. We know we have to grab one, right? I like it. There's so many of them. I think that one called my name. We would be in the Kootenai National Forest. See? Boat launch. Like I said, if the sun was hitting that water, oh, we have a bird. Say hello. How are you? I won't get too close. Oh, another bird. You're a robin. I see the little robin. Do we see the robin? love birds. All nature. More rocks. Come on, sunshine. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of sunshine. Oh, you want to see a cool bench? Place is dead right now. It's a cold front. It's raining all weekend. But next weekend we're in the 80s and everybody and their mother will be here. Ain't that beautiful? I'm sorry, isn't that beautiful? I am who I am. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I should probably head back to the van. Yeah, we visited this day area a lot. We've first time staying here. It was very, very peaceful. Look, the sun's shining, guys. Oh, yes. I feel it. I feel it. There's a beautiful bench. Isn't that pretty? I actually want to take you guys around to some of the artwork, do a video on the artwork in the area. Those statues. So pretty. Oh, there's our pretty bird. Appreciate you guys enjoying this little nature walk with me. I'm glad the sun could come out. Nature's amazing. One day we'll go through and talk about plants. Right now I'm just soaking it all in. And practicing the gimbal. Let's switch hands. My hands got cold. Okay, this is where I walk fast. See? No one's gonna come out of these bushes. We just get through that area real fast. The sun, the sun. Alright, let's practice this gimbal. I'm gonna hit a button. Maybe I shouldn't. It doesn't seem like it's straight though. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the gimbal. Other than I need to get the app and learn how to use it. I was proud of myself for going horizontal. And yes, I had to look it up. There's only so many hours in a day. It's a nice little walk. Let's see. Okay, maybe you're straightening up. Let's go back up. And there's Alice. Thank you guys for enjoying this nature walk with me, helping me try out the gimbal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature adventures. Love you all.